Firstly, I'm very grateful to the Heriot-Watt University for the appointment. It's an honor and a privilege, tremendous opportunity to interact with some very bright and young students and recent graduates of the university. It's, I think, a mutually enriching experience for me. Like I said, it's a learning experience, it's an opportunity to learn, while at the same time share my experience and learnings in life with the graduates who are going through their courses in the business school here. In terms of the GDP, again, Malaysia is one of the success stories. A lot of the young Malaysians I meet tend to be a little cynical about the way the country has evolved and grown, but if you step back and take a look since independence, early 60s, I think your leadership has done a great job of putting the country on a certain trajectory.
It's actually very good avenue for a student to meet with the industry leaders and to get insight on what the organization is doing and their visions and their goals. And also for us, working opportunity in the organization itself, and we can hear it directly from the leaders and also from the recruitment team.
Heriot-Watt is really great at organizing these sessions for CEOs of various companies to come in and talk. After today's session, I felt like it was very insightful into the macroeconomic outlook of Malaysia, as well as being inspired as to how other countries and other companies perceive Malaysia to be the next hotspot in Asia for setting up operations, and the opportunities here being so plentiful.
I think the session was very informative, especially I came here to learn about leadership. I think it's a very important skill to learn because, especially in this time, there's a lot of changes in the workforce, and for me it's very informative and very educational. So I'm glad actually I came here to learn.
One of the main reasons why we want to have the CEO faculty talks together with our MBA students is simply because we want to provide the live experiences and insights, what is happening from the industry to benefit our MBA students.